Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect a USB drive to a Debian machine running as a virtual machine on VMware Workstation. I have a USB drive that's currently connected to the host machine. So if I run a command on the terminal here to list the block devices, ls OK, you can see that I only have one disk SDA with 3 partitions, 1, 2, and 5, and then the CD-ROM drive. So there's no other drive here. So in order for us to connect that USB drive to this virtual machine, we need to go to the menu here, click on VM, then removable devices, and then the USB drive should be listed here. So you hover your mouse over it and you should have the option to connect. This is just telling you that it's going to unplug or disconnect from the host and then connect to the virtual machine. Click OK. And then let's repeat the command. And now there's a second disk here, SDB, and it's been mounted to this mount point. Now we should be able to view the contents by going to that mount point. What we can do is, let me just do this. So what we can do, we can say ls media to 24708156, and we're able to see the contents of the USB drive. Now to disconnect the USB drive, we can go back to VM, removable devices, and then go to highlight your USB drive, and then you can click disconnect. And let's check here, and it's no longer showing, it's been removed. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your USB drive to Debian running on VMware Workstation. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.